Having a clear view of the road is a big part of driver responsibility, especially heavy goods vehicle driver. Making sure that the driver can see is also integral part of driver pre-use walkaround check.
Yeah, man. Stop! 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 Stop, mate! You! Whoa, 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 whoa! You!
In this video we can see heavy goods vehicle pushing a car along the motorway where other road users are trying to stop the driver from pushing it further. If you look closely on the heavy goods vehicle windscreen, there is a Sat Nav fitted right in front of the driver in the swept area of the wipers, which could have impaired the driver's vision. Now, I'm not saying this was the only factor contributing to this incident, however, it could have played a massive part. Therefore, it is absolutely important that Sat Navs are not placed blocking any driver's vision. They could be placed outside of the swept area of the wipers. However, the best place for the Sat Nav to be fitted is somewhere on the dashboard that is not blocking the vision of the road. Especially in cities, towns or places where there could be pedestrians or cyclists around the vehicle, it is absolutely important that the drivers can see what's going on around the vehicle. An extreme example of failure to have clear view of the road is presented in this West Midlands police picture, which actually was taken from a lorry that was involved in a fatal collision with a cyclist. Therefore, having a clear view of the road is absolutely important, and placing items on the dashboard and on the windscreen needs to be done very, very carefully and definitely in a legal way. Thank you for watching. My name is Roman. This is a Fleet Planner compliance video.